job patching up that balloon.
It looks awesome, Connor. And I know it wasn't easy.
Just like flying.
At least no one has to argue about that anymore. Someone else is flying this time. Gekko stay-at-home sneezes.
I can't believe the comic store has the first issue of the Flossie Flash comic. We can finally find out how she got her powers.
It's the only copy left in the world. Everyone will want to see it. We'd better check when the store opens.
Good idea. Sorry.
You've got some serious sneezes, Greg. Shouldn't you stay inside until you're better?
Hey, there's a message from the comic store. Their first ever Flossie Flash is missing.
Oh no, that's impossible.
We have to find out who took it and get it back.
You've got some serious sneezes, Greg. Shouldn't you stay inside until you're better?
Maybe we should take care of this nighttime trouble without you.
A sneeze won't stop Gekko. I'm coming. PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette. Yeah!
Greg becomes Connor becomes
Catboy.
Sorry. Achoo! I'm okay. Achoo!
Whoa, now that you're Gekko, you've got super sneezes.
And with super sneezes, you shouldn't be running around outside.
No way! I want to come with you guys.
No, I think you'd better stay here with the picture player.
To the owl glider, Catboy.
You can keep in touch with the PJ communicators.
Testing.
Great, we hear you loud and clear.
Now let's fly.
Fiddlesticks! Those PJ pests, they left Gekko behind. Okay, moths. I'll take care of those two. You see what you can do about lizard legs. Being stuck inside is so boring. Luna Girl! I need to tell the others! But wait, what if they need my help? I'll go tell them myself! Wow, that was close.
Nothing. No clues at all.
Wait, cat ears.
Achoo!
I don't know what that is, but let's go see.
Slithering serpents! This super sneeze is very powerful. Super Gekko muscles!
What made this lamppost?
Keep your owl eyes open. It could be a villain.
Gekko! We thought you were a villain. I just wanted to tell you that Luna Girl is headed to the school.
Why didn't you use the PJ communicator.
Well, I thought you might need my help.
You'll never get rid of your super sneezes if you don't stay inside.
I know. I'll go back.
Okay, and we'll head to the school.
Warn us if you see something.
Oh. Moths nearby. That means Luna Girl. It's just outside. I should tell the others. But if I follow it, then maybe I can see what it's up to. That's a much better idea. Hey! I better follow that mothball. It'll lead me right to Luna Girl. Wait for me, mothball.
So what if it's the first issue?
Still boring. Gekko's following you? That means he's left the HQ.
My other moths are trying to open the bay door.
With Gekko out of HQ, my plan is finally working. Soon, PJ Masks HQ will be mine. Mine!
There she is.
Huh? Can't catch me! Where did that moth go? Huh? I knew they'd need me. Super Gekko camouflage. What?
Okay, Luna Girl, hand over that first issue of Flossy Flash.
Oh, hey!
Gekko, are you messing with the remote vehicle controller in HQ? What's that?
That's my moths in your HQ, kitty. And that's my signal to take it over. Now it belongs to me.
Super cat speed! Not so fast, Luna Girl. Your moth couldn't get in. Gekko's at HQ.
Oh, sorry, guys. I'm right here. Say goodbye to your HQ, PJ Pest.
Gekko, you were supposed to stay inside.
I know. I'm sorry. But Luna Girl isn't at HQ yet. We need to get back as fast as we can.
We'll go, Gekko.
I know how I can still be useful. Moths, why haven't you opened the bay door? Open it now.
Oh no! The door's opening for Luna Girl!
Gekko! I should have stayed inside like you said. We'd have the comet back and HQ would be safe. But now it's time to be a hero. You go after Luna Girl and I'll help you from inside.
Way to go, Gekko! Step away from the HQ, Luna Girl.
When that door opens all the way, I'm going in and you're staying out. Stay back! Or Flossy Flash gets it! Shoo! Shoo! Well done, Moth.
Catboy, Owlette, a moth jammed the door open. It won't close.
Block the bay door until I can get it shut.
Not so fast, Luna Girl. Owl wing wing!
Aha! I got your precious comic, PJ Pest. So if you don't want anything to happen to it, you'd better not try and stop me.
Oh, Luna Girl.
Huh? Ow! But who's flying this thing? I am.
Nice one, Gekko.
You help Owlette
Super cat jump!
Oh no! You're too heavy! I can't hold you!
Thanks, Gekko.
You're welcome.
Lucky catch. But now you've left the door wide open. Gotcha again, PJ Pants.
You forgot someone!
Let me out, you sneaky lizard!
Not until I secure HQ by closing the bay door. And now I can let you out.
Yay! Ugh, I can't believe I was defeated by a sneezy lizard.
Even if he has to stay inside with the super sneezes, Gekko's an important part of the team.
Come on, moths. You won't stop me next time, PJ Party Poopers.
PJ Masks all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night, we save the day!
Poor Greg. He helped save Flossy Flash issue 1, but now his sneezes are worse.
He'll be stuck inside even longer. Let's make sure he's not too bored. Hi, Greg! How are you doing?
Great! Staying indoors is so much fun! I've made up my own comic book hero. Look! The amazing sneezing kid. He fires himself backwards with